We get our ideas from a lot of different sources, both internal and external to the kitchen and bath market. For example, we might look at, the latest technology in automotive and vehicles and look at, haptic touch type of technologies and how we can implement those into our products. We have a lot of new challenges and new opportunities every day. So, we're constantly looking to not only design and build new products, but also to improve existing products. We also look for ways to build upon that customer experience, as well as build a product that is going to fit well within the ZLINE ecosystem. So the products have a consistent look and feel and interface. We really design our products to invoke emotion and provide an exceptional customer experience. We want our customers to be exciting to show their friends, have a good experience using it, and we want the products to be reliable.